Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I remain Mr. Abiola, your favorite math teacher. Today we'll be looking at dividing with zeros in the quotient. Let's look at the first question. We have 9,851 divided by 48. Start with 9. 9 divided by 48, not possible because 9 is smaller than 48. Because it's not possible, you should write 0 at the top. Do 2 digits, which is 98. How many times can 48 go into 98? 98 is just a little bit bigger than 48. So because of that, I will start from 1. So you check if 1 will work. What is 48 times 1? That gives you 48. 1 works because 48 is smaller than 98. Okay? But you have to confirm with 2. Okay? So what is 48 times 2? This will give you 96. 96 is also smaller than 98. That means that 2 also worked. Okay? If you confirm with 3, if you do 48 times 3, I think this will give you what? 144. Okay? 144 is bigger than 98, so 3 didn't work. That means we can now use 2. So you write 2 at the top. 48 times 2, which is 96, right at the bottom. When you subtract, 8 minus 6 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0. Then you bring 5 down, all right? Anytime you bring down a digit, you must divide. So because we brought 5 down, then we have to divide. 25 divided by 48, is it possible? No. It's not possible because 25 is smaller than 48. And because it is not possible, you should write 0 at the top. Then you bring down the next digit, which is 1. Now, how many times can 48 go into 251? 251 is way bigger than 48. Because of that, I should start from, 9, right? You do 48 times 9. The fastest way to know whether 9 will work or not is to do 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 is bigger than this 25 that I circled. So 9 didn't work, okay? You try 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 is bigger than the 25 that I circled. So 8 didn't work. Try 7. 7 times 4, which is 28. 28 is bigger than 25. 7 didn't work. Try 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So 6 might work, but we have to confirm. How do you confirm? You will multiply everything here by 6. So you do 6 times 8, which is 48. You write 8, put 4 here. 6 times 4, which is 24, plus the 4 on top, you have 28. 288 is bigger than 251. So 6 didn't work. So we have to use a smaller number, which is 5. 5 times 8 is 40, write 0, put 4 here. Then 5 times 4, which is 20, plus the 4 on top, you have 24. 240 is smaller than 251, so 5 worked. Write 5 at the top. 48 times 5, which is 240, you write it at the bottom, and then when you subtract, you have 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, then 0. Now, this 0 you have in the answer, you can cross it because it doesn't have a value, okay? So the final answer becomes 205. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please do well and hit the subscribe button. That is something you should not forget to do. Have a great day.